I'm at Little Baja today with Wayne. And Wayne, we usually come to see your fountains, to see your pottery, but you have a tremendous amount of pinatas here.
Yeah, yes we do. We bring them up from Mexico on top of our planters that we put in the trailer.
It's cool because you fill that whole truck, so it's really economical to fill that space with something really light.
Yeah, well, we have a limit on weight we can put in with the Mexican clay, and so that dead space we fill with our pinatas.
And so I see you have different kinds here, but I saw this one. This kind of looks antique. So what is this
well,
about?
Me and my wife, Gloria, we picked that up some 30 years ago as kind of a novelty. This is the way they used to do them. Used to clay pot, and of course the danger of having flying terracotta running around is, so they switched to paper mache, and actually our family really kind of improved the pinata over the regular pinatas that you find down there. And we've been buying from them now for over 30 years, and we watched the little kids grow up, and now the little kids make pinatas for us.
That is cool. And so I know that there's a little bit of rules, so kind of tell us about the rules about pinata play.
Basically, no more than 3 pounds of anything you're going to put in it, whether it's adult toys or candy or whatever you want to do. It's an outdoor event, mostly because you're swinging a heavy object around to break it.
You can put it in a garden.
And you hang it from a tree and pull it up and down. Usually the person, if they're over 7 years old, you want to blindfold them so they don't get a good swing at it. Anybody older than 10 is just going to hit this thing, you know. But it's a good solid pinata. It's not impossible to break. You don't need a chainsaw, but it's a real pinata. And these are the pinatas that are the most favorite down there in Mexico now.
And I see that you sell bats too, and this is a plastic bat, so don't use anything wooden, right?
You don't want to use anything that you don't want to be hit with.
Right.
Okay. So.
And I understand too, it's kind of an art form, and you were invited to the art museum many years ago.
We were. Portland Art Museum invited us down for their Mexican festival, and we're the only pinata that I know of that was displayed in with all the other highly prized pieces of art down there. And we did a pinata party and explained how pinatas worked and helped talk about Mexico and the art that they make down there. And there were several other artisans down there besides us.
That is cool. Well, there's a rich tradition about pinatas and parties. So if you want to get a party going this summer, come out to Little Baja, pick out some pinatas, and really add some pizzazz to your party. Thanks so much, Wayne.
Oh, thanks for coming by. Appreciate it.